Hello, thank you very much for the opportunity to ask you questions and for coming to Indianapolis today. I actually wrote mine out because I didn't want to get twisted. My question has two components. One is more conceptual in nature. The other one is more tangible, if you would. Even if all humans and all of humanity are able to embrace a sense of unconditional love at an individual level, does the state still have an obligation to harbor some fear or mistrust in order to be able to defend against those inevitably mischievous individuals? In terms of a tangible example, if there is the opportunity to share a technology in the name of compassion that could be potentially used mischievously, do we always have the moral obligation to share that technology?
그래서
저르스니르자 직디 게데스
이런식
게르기 차네 메창마니 나오데 제베네 고나야 슝다 지조가 차네 작송냐야다 미간 준비해
아니 뒷부 말하죠.
동년친이
저도 설마
나를
right yes with the head I didn't recognize yes and you must show your head then I yes now I recognize I realize my long time friend that your wife also okay
디 아니 간다 지조 코랑 그 차네 득주 차네 아니 작송고에
그 state 메마 여셔서 I think the state actually the body which people elected a democratic sort of country and then so long the humanity not much sort of practice about the compassion then there are some mischievous people and lawlessness so state you say have to act according to that but then people as we already mentioned or discussed through education eventually more compassionate society develop then state also become I mean not necessary some of these
you know if the society individuals in the society change then the state must also reflect that changed nature because some of these harsher measures may be irrelevant.
I think one time Costa Rica demilitarized the nation. That does not mean, you see, the whole country, there are no mischievous people. So, small police force with certain sort of weapons in order to deal. So I think world eventually should be demilitarized world. Then you see that does not mean entire 7 billion more compassionate or more peaceful. Some small mischievous people always there. So in order to tackle that, some mobile force with helicopter like that, and deal some mischievous sort of activities. But overall, then you see, no possibility of war, mobilized, huge sort of large scale killing. That you see, we can eliminate through education. We cannot say entire 7 billion eventually be compassionate. That's difficult. So we need some practical sort of solutions
too.
like that. That's my view.
들으셔.
Second part.
투자 사업을 쓰베나스. 투자 사업을 테크놀로지. 투자 사업을 쓰베나 아니 한국 지도 돌려야 편도체.
전수배야.
막 편도체 그 여버체. 다양 배주 로봇 제게 자견주 여버예나. 그 지도를 팽그 여버자 다 닝지 다 데고도 닝지 미치 빼고 우르베스 빼야.
I think it is by nature 100% positive impossible. 100% negative also impossible. 다 야치로 쓰주래. 대부
So this is in response to your second part of the question, technology. Yeah. So one has to judge by the situation and the context.
I think our daily food, not very sure, 100% something benefit to our body. You see, I think you quite thin, okay. So some people is overweight or overweight. You see, due to always take something. So suppose it's good for our body, but also you see some side effect for our body. So like that. But then, Kasuri, it is sort of silly to say, oh, there is some side effect. I don't want that. It's extreme. And this is something very good for me. Is that without discrimination? That also wrong, isn't it? That's my view. Things are relative. There are positives, negative. And that, because you see, it is, why it is relative? It's due to that, under that circumstances, certain action is right. Under different circumstances, same action becomes wrong. So everything interdependent, interconnected.
Who is responsible for determining from which perspective that relativity should be selected? Because from the individual who holds the power, it may not be relative to them valuable to share, but the individual who does not hold the power may consider there to be value there. Is it our individual responsibility to look at both perspectives, or is it the responsibility of a governing body to make that decision?
다음에 다주를 수치고 나서 펜도요 마요다 포장을 비슷해. 그렇게 미결게 소소도는 따고고나 양지조 대전직도 따고고나서.
I think country as a whole, we must have organization who look after nation. So that we call government. That government through election. Now you are American, quite busy to choose your next president. So I think that is one beauty of democratic system. You see, leader elected by people. So the leader automatically means accountable.
Become accountable to the public.
To the public. So public have sort of power. And if necessary, like I think in Nixon's time, impeachment. Very good. So that means, you see, ultimately, power in your people's hand. I think democratic system, in spite of some drawbacks here and there, I think best system. So therefore, you see, last 4 centuries, Dalai Lama institution automatically become head of both temporal and spirituality. Now that, since 2000, I took that responsibility 60 years. Then, because of the 2011, I totally retired or relinquished.
No, relinquished the political authority.
So now I have 4th century old tradition. Not only I myself retired, but also you see, cease that system. So sometimes I jokingly telling people, this system, 4 centuries ago, the 5th Dalai Lama started this sort of system. So now suppose me, 14th Dalai Lama, now voluntarily, proudly, happily ended. So if 5th Dalai Lama return, what he will say? But there is no danger to reappear 5th Dalai Lama. So I am freedom, I have the freedom. So I cease deliberately, that system. So there, because I love democracy, I really admire democratic system. So then you should choose right people, your leader, right people.
Thank you.